In this video, I'll show you how to create a questionnaire inside Google Forms. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, go ahead and open up Google Forms. And then once you're inside Google Forms, make sure to sign in. And now once you're signed in, I recommend clicking on a blank form. So for this demonstration, I'm going to make this form about a workshop feedback questionnaire. So that's going to be my title. And now for the form description, I'm going to put thank you for attending our workshop, etc., etc. So it'll look something like this. And now after this, I'm going to give it some text. So I want to add a title in here. So I'm going to call this one here participant information. And I can change the font and all that stuff here by clicking bold or italic. I'm going to be bold and italic here. And then after that, I'm going to click on add question. So now this question here is going to be A, what is your name? And it's going to be a short answer. And now I'm going to add another question saying what is your email address? And now it's going to automatically choose the correct form. So it's going to be a short answer. And now click on add question again. Which workshop did you attend? And it's going to put short answer here as well. And now after that, I'm going to click on the add title and description. And now the next section is going to be overall experience. And then from that, I want to click on the little plus icon. And now this is going to be another question, which is going to be a short answer. Now I might make it a checkbox here. So here we go. I've got how would you rate your overall experience in the workshop? And this is going to be a checkbox. So the first one's going to be, say, excellent. Next option here, just go down here and it's automatically fair. Poor, it's auto filling these out. Poor. Gonna make the next one's very poor, like so. And as you can see here, it's required to respond is enabled on all of these. So if you don't want people to be required to respond to everything, just simply uncheck that and they don't have to respond to, say, for example, what is your email address? They can skip that question if they want to. But if you want to keep it required, have that tab across there like so. So now you kind of get the gist of how to create this online questionnaire. And if I go again, I can add another question. And you got all these different options. So you can create drop-down menus, check boxes, which we've done multiple choices. You can also add multi-choice grids, tick box grids, put date and times into this questionnaire as well. And now once you've done with this form, you can customize the look of it. So if I go back up here, I can click on the color palette there. I can change the header to, say, impact and the question to that text. And I can change the background color too. So if I want it to make it orange or red, blue, etc. And then from here, I can give the header an image as well from my computer. So click on choose image to give the header an image. And now once you've mucked around all the settings here, you can go ahead and click on send, top right hand corner. And now you can send via putting in their names or email addresses and give it a subject, a message. And you can also click on include form in email. If you don't want to do that, you can get a link and you can also shorten the link and send that directly to people. Or if you've got a website or a page, web page, etc., you can click on embedded HTML and copy this code and put that on your website.